welcome in. Today is Luxe Workshop, dear. If you're new here, my name is New. It's nice to meet you. Every Saturday, I bring you all on the journey with me behind the scenes after the reads into my Luxe Workshop, all right, where I steward the new love oracle world here at the estate. Welcome in. Dearie, before we get started, it's time for our check-in, win of the day. Let me know down in the comments what's your win. Celebrate a small victory today. My win is that we're doing something very special, something that I've always included in the channel, and it's made its way back into the New Love Oracle home. All right, so let me know your win. Dearie, I'm going to tape our bulletin onto our Oracle World map of the estate, and I'm going to use the map as a visual anchor for a living estate welcome story. This is the first, in fact, called You Belong Here. Yay! Okay, so as I read the story out loud, just a brief little tale, you all can sit back, relax, get comfortable, and wander and explore the estate as you please, dear. All right, one more piece of tape. I swear I already had a piece of tape, but whatever. Okay, boom. Dear. Look, this, unlike Truth at Heart, which is a brief handwritten reflection on an ordinary human condition every week, which is done in-house, authentically, not AI, all right? This is not handwritten. This is just another piece of the ordinary estate living, okay? Thanks for being here. I look just like I'm at an elementary science fair. Period. Okay, dear. You belong here. Dear beloved, the estate is alive before it is organized. Morning reaches the main house and ordinary life begins again. Something is warming in the kitchen. Someone is getting dressed. The white room remains close enough for rest. A door opens, air moves through. Beyond the house, the grounds are already becoming useful. Garden paths carry us toward tables, stones, stumps, boards, and places prepared enough to set something down. A basket has been left within reach. Something can be gathered, arranged, shared, read, eaten, examined, or simply enjoyed. Ding! Nearby, the greenhouse and workshop are chugging. Chugga, 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 chugga. Light is moved. Materials are handled. A project remains open. Someone sits, thinks, gets back up, finds the scissors, makes a drink, changes clothes, pulls a card, notices a bird, photographs something, dances, returns to the table. If you notice a bird here today, you will get a special prayer on the house. Leave it down in the comments, all right? Some things are carefully arranged and others are still becoming. Life continues through welcome and celebration, making and sharing, family and memory, intimacy and rest. We dress, we host, we build, we tend, we make love, we make memories, We make things useful and beautiful. We learn to live better. In ordinary life, love acquires form. We practice what matters. We practice what matters and what carries us forward as well. The season brings new reasons for care and new ways to see. We leave that light on as evidence that love and belonging and care are worth preparing for and thinking about ahead of time. And we tend that path even when traveling beyond our estate living. Paths continue through the garden and down toward the light. The lower grounds eventually meet the bay. The rose alcove receives another kind of pause. Above the active grounds, people keep each other company. Higher still, the overlook lets the estate see farther. Dear beloved, these places naturally make a faithful life together over time. Beloved is the guest, the host, the muse, and the faithful house rule. Dear beloved, you belong here. Thanks so much for being here, dear, for a very special Luxe Workshop episode this week. This is the first time we ever filmed in our reading studio. So I just love living and sharing life here at the estate with you all. Let me know down in the comments what you think. If you like the series, check my description box for a link to the playlist. You can watch anything out of order and have a very welcoming experience here at the estate. Love you, dear. Talk soon. Bye.